Hey guys, quick one tonight. We're had to work at the bench here. I think I got this 18650s figured out, but I ran into a problem. So I was able to figure out this tester. It is indeed what I thought it was. It's a fixed resistance value and a fixed load tester. Still got audio? Yeah, we got audio. This other one is indeed adjustable, and that is a microcontroller, that chip that we looked up the other day. It's a bit of an odd duck, but it is indeed a microcontroller. I couldn't find any more of these on eBay anywhere. I couldn't find that software. It's driving me nuts. This will work as it sits, but no PC interface. In fact, it's a little better than this one. The problem I ran into is I think I put this on, this 18650 holder. This one's no good for some of these cells. See, there's no raised nubbins on the end for the positive terminal, and when I went to do a load test on one of these, I found it won't reach. So I tried sticking neodymium magnet in there, and like I can stick that to the end of the battery, but it's too long. So either I gotta switch this out for one like this one. This is a good one that came with, again, with this better unit, or build it up with solder. So what I'm thinking is I need the soldering iron anyway, so we'll fire it up, and we'll also see if perhaps I have a better one of these. Yeah, so hopefully you guys are doing good out there. I think everybody's done streaming now. I waited to come to the shop until what I think everybody is done. I was actually watching the tail end of Joshua Bardwell's stream. I think Xeon should be done. I hope. But I'm not streaming over top of anybody. But it says I'm reconnected. I guess we're back. Showing good. Weird. At least one of my network devices, one of my Ethernet overpowers this morning. Am I running a new one or an old one here? A new one. I've got. Should be all new now. Weird. Anyway, should be this. Digging. Got some battery trays. Maybe we can steal. What if we stole a spring? Put another spring. It'd be nicer if it was just another tab. I just need a piece of spring steel to be a tab. What could we use for that? It's riveted. Like, I could try and build it up with solder, but that's not, I don't think that's gonna work. Oh, here's another thought. It's got a nifty little hole down through the middle. I have an idea. I need all the things that aren't in here. This might do. How small? How about... Will this work? Come on. What a mess this made. I'm thinking, what if we could put a little cap head screw, down through? That might work. Come on. Get in the hole. How about that? That might do. Let's see if it does. That might be just the right size. Kind of clever, if I do say so myself. Oh yeah. That did it. Haha, we're in business. Okay, so what we want, we'll just put a newt on the back side so that doesn't grow legs. This looks like, which one of these is magnetized? I think I demagnetized some of these recently. That should be the right size. What is going on? What the hell is going on with my OBS? Something bad happening here. I'm showing reds and yellows, and let me try shedding some load here. Windows did an update and maybe something got hosed. No, I don't want to scan anything. Well, now all of a sudden everything is just fine. And I don't think I did anything. The green, no more drop frames. Huh. Are we dropping frames? Maybe. No, it's just counting down from the ridiculous number. I don't think it was hardly streaming at all. It must have been a slideshow for a minute there. Sorry, guys. Weird. Whatever. Such is the woes of being... It's still crazy that we can just pick up and stream high-def video to each other on a whim. And, like, I give YouTube a hard time on things sometimes, but it is completely free of charge to do such a thing, which is pretty cool in a way. Like, we gotta put up with some crap, don't get me wrong. And don't use hemostats for this. But overall, it could be a hell of a lot worse. Alright, let's see. We're good. That fixed it. So now I can use this with these little nubbin-free 18650s. These were definitely price reasonable 18650 holders. There. I could warm those up a little bit and spread them out, I guess. Alright. And for the record, I was able to test one of these ultrafires today, 908 milliamp hours at 5,000. That was down to 3 volts. We could probably go to a little bit lower, but what I've decided... Oh, good. What I've decided is to kill that. What I've decided is to use 3 volts as my nominal across the board on my batteries. Some you can go down, like 3 volts on a lithium ion is fine for all, but some can go down to 2.8, and the results are going to be significantly different. The milliamp hour capacity is going to be higher going down lower, but rather than, like, I'm not so hung up on the specifics, I'm more hung up on the relative numbers between each other, like one battery compared to the others, and getting similar capacities in a pack. So if I just settle on 3 volts across the board, sure, the number may be a tad low, like it's not going to be a lot low, but it's going to at least be consistent and not risk damaging any of my batteries. So cool, there we go. Now if I take this, plug it in, that battery should be charged, 425. If we hit go, we're going to start rocking on down. Awesome. And we'll just see what that battery does. And now we have it load testing. Sweet. Or capacity testing, I should say. It's not really a load test per se.